Welcome to another DK Custom Products video. My name's Kevin, this is Dwayne, and today...
One of my favorite video subjects, replying to comments.
Okay.
You know, I like when customers, I like when viewers leave us comments, and I like when we get a chance to
And
reply.
This is a doozy here.
Yeah. All right, to start this video off, this is a good comment. Like I said, one of my favorite kind of comments. And before we get started, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Really help us out. It'll make YouTube like us more and make us like you more. All right, so this comment comes from John. And like I said, it's a good one. It's about crankcase vapors. And, you know, we preach the benefits of venting crankcase vapors externally. So I'll read the comment now. How exactly does the crankcase vent through the bolts in the heads? Question mark, exclamation mark. Your credibility goes out the window when you don't know what you're talking about. Well,
So it seems like from this comment, he's saying that the crankcase vapors don't vent through the head,
No.
and that we don't know what we're talking about.
right, we have zero credibility. So what are we even doing this for? We have no credibility.
So, John, and we'll put up on the screen here from a manual where Harley explains it, but the short of it is because on the combustion stroke, some of the air pushes past the rings and it builds up crankcase pressure.
Mm-hmm.
And you can do research on that in case you don't believe that there's pressure in crankcases.
Right, otherwise known as blow-by.
Yeah. And that crankcase pressure has to have somewhere to go. And Harley, for EPA reasons, routes that back into the air cleaner. It used to just be routed externally. The way that the crankcase pressure is relieved is it goes up the pushrod tubes into the rocker arms. It goes through an umbrella valve that is fantasized. It will separate out the oil from the air.
Mm-hmm.
And it does separate a lot of the oil out from the air. And then after it goes through the umbrella valve, it goes through a passageway into the heads and then out the breather bolts on the heads. And factory hooked up to those breather bolts are hoses that get routed into the air cleaner.
And we're not attacking John directly, you know, it's just...
Someone misinformed
Yeah,
him.
yeah, it's just misinformation.
I mean,
and, you know, it's our job, if he left that comment on our video, to cut it off at the head. You know, not let that myth or that misinformation be perpetrated to someone else that might read it and take it as fact.
Right, yeah, and so crankcase pressure does get vented through the heads into the air cleaner. And of course, our external breather system, we'll put a link right up here to what an external breather system is. It takes the air that comes through the heads and vents it into the atmosphere or into a catch can or a filter, anywhere but back into the engine. So yeah, our credibility is intact, I guess.
Yep, we love you, John.
Y'all ride safe out there.